Hello friends, we continue today with the second video of my presentations of the topic based focused on the VAT in European Union. Before all, I warmly recommend you to find a solid accounting partner to avoid headaches and damages from sanctions from not aware with details with VAT reporting. So, first principle you have to know is that VAT legislation charges the place of consumption of services and goods, and then most of the transactions, business transactions within European Union, normal, are charged and in the scope of the VAT legislation and are charged with VAT rate. As you can see, this VAT rate is different and vary from country to country. In Bulgaria, you see how in Austria this is kind of moderate, 20%. It varies from 19 to 25%. There is a parking rate that is a specific rate that allows transition from lower rates that inherit at the accession of the European Union of particular countries to the standard rates adopted in the European Union. Normally, is not allowed in a particular country to have rate lower than 12%. Also, it is very important who is charging VAT and what rate is charging depends on from where you buy and where you sell to. This is very, very important. This is, say, place of delivery and place of consumption. So when you sell goods and services to business based in another European country, you do not charge your partners in your invoices with VAT only and under the condition they have valid European VAT number. It is very easy to justify and prove at the web tool of the VS Validate tool of the European Commission. Also, when you sell to a final customer, you need to know if this individual is not registered for VAT or registered, and if not registered for VAT purposes at the beginning, till assessing to this threshold 10,000 euro, you apply your own local VAT rate. But after exceeding this 10 euro threshold, you have to register a company in this particular country. Could be France, Belgium, etc. Incorporate the company and register it for the VAT purposes and start to paying the local VAT, to charge local VAT and pay to the budget local VAT. So when you buy purchases and goods from another European Union, you know that there is not a borders, already no any custom house to charge custom duty and VAT. You have to charge yourself with your accounting software. Modern accounting software allows that with the local VAT rate, for example, for Bulgaria 20%, and then immediately recognizes VAT credit. So ultimately the cash result is zero. You recognize charge VAT due to the budget and at the same time recognize a VAT credit. So zero result. When you sell goods and services to customers outside the European Union, you need first, you do not charge VAT, as I told before. You have to ask them for a certificate issued by the local National Revenue Agency that proves that this your customer is a taxpayer for a turnover like tax in this country, and then you have right to not charge VAT. Be very careful with proving if your customer is registered for VAT, because you are mutually responsible for paying VAT. If you fail in this check, you must be could be a case you have to pay VAT on their behalf. So this could be big cash out damage for you. So what is distance selling? When you sell from your country to another European country, to people either registered for VAT or not. First, this is a distance sale, which was valid to the end of 2021. It was now replaced by the VAT MOSS Return procedure, what is very, very useful. Just imagine through online trade, you sell to more than 15 countries in European Union. Then you are obliged in exceeding the threshold to incorporate 15 companies in these countries and to register them for VAT and charge and pay VAT, local VAT to the local budget. So this is big release, and the benefit is so you in each and every quarter you report to your own local national revenue agency what amount of VAT you do to particular country, to the particular national revenue agency there, and send this report along with the money due for all these countries. And the local national revenue agency distribute and pay for each and every national revenue agency this due amount. This is very big release and very, very, very beneficial. So that's all with the most important things for the VAT regime, VAT legislation within European Union. So within the next section, I will focus and deeper on this beneficial and very useful MOSS VAT reporting. The other specific VAT transaction in EU called triangular, and also focus on the very specifics on defining delivery and place of consumption, because this is the answer of what rate is charged in the invoices and who is charged and who pay the VAT. Okay, you can always follow us using these tags, including PS, Paramount, etc. And thank you very much for your attention, for your